In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Java exception has occurred error message. So this usually pops up when trying to open the Minecraft launcher, but luckily there's a nice and straightforward solution. So all you need to do is head over to an internet browser and head over to java.com. From here, come down to this section where it says, "Are you a software developer looking for JDK downloads?" and click on this Java SE Development Kit button. Then scroll down slightly and make sure you have the latest version of JDK selected, which for me is this 23 one. And then we need to scroll down, select Windows, and then just click on the x64 installer. Give that a couple of seconds to download to your computer, and once that's finished, you need to open up the file. Then from here, we can just go through the steps on our computer to install this to our system. It's a relatively small file, so that should only take a couple of minutes. And once that's successfully installed, you can then try relaunching your Java file, and that should have now solved the issue. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.